Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on Mortal Kombat Mobile. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller has a full charge to avoid interruptions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. Finally, put your controller into pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. This prepares it for connection. Now that your controller is in pairing mode, open the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. You should see Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Your device might ask for confirmation, so accept the pairing request. Once connected, the light bar on your controller will turn a solid color, indicating a successful link between your controller and phone. With your controller successfully paired, launch the Mortal Kombat Mobile application. Once inside the game, navigate to the main settings menu. Look for an option related to controller or gamepad support and make sure it is enabled. Some games automatically detect controllers, but it's always good to double-check these settings to ensure optimal performance and button mapping for your fights. After configuring the in-game settings, it's time to test your controller. Start a quick match or enter the training mode to verify that all buttons and joysticks respond correctly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the game or your mobile device. Also, ensure both your game application and device operating system are updated to their latest versions for the best compatibility and a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.